Hai teman-teman, selamat malam. Baiklah, saya Sisilia Sembiring, kelas 11 MIA 3. Di sini saya akan membacakan polite request. A request is when we ask someone for something. Since we are asking for help, it is important to be polite. We must avoid being too direct. Examples of being too direct: I want help. Pass me that salt. Can you carry my bags? These are all correct, but they are too direct. These are not polite requests and people will be afraid. In this lesson, you will learn several methods to make a polite request. Yang pertama atau number one adalah call you. Apakah itu call you? Rumus dari call you adalah call you plus base form of verb blank 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 tanda tanya. Contoh dari call you adalah call you carry my bags, call you give me some advice, call you carry this box. Itu adalah contoh dari call you. We can add possible to be even more polite. Could you possible hold my drink? Yang kedua atau number two adalah what you mean. Rumus dari what you mean adalah what you mean plus ing form of verb. Contoh dari what you mean adalah what you mean carrying my bags. Yang kedua, what you mean giving me someone advice? Yang ketiga, what you mean helping me? Yang keempat, what you mean taking my photographer? Yang ketiga atau number 3 adalah I wonder if you called. Rumus dari I wonder if you called adalah I wonder if you called plus base form of verb. Contohnya adalah I wonder if you could mean my bag. I wonder if you could give me some advice. I wonder if you could help me. We can add possible to be even more polite. I wonder if you could possible take me to the airport. Yang keempat atau number 4 adalah negative statement with question text. Rumus dari negative statement with question text adalah you call tambah base form of verb tambah call you. Contohnya adalah you couldn't help me call you. You wouldn't plus base form of verb tambah would you. Contohnya adalah you wouldn't take me to the airport would you. I don't suppose you could plus base form of verb plus call you. Contohnya, I don't suppose you could clean to the bedroom call you. Yang kelima atau number 5 adalah polite request in written English. Here is a good expression for formal emails and letters. I will be grateful if you call plus base form of verb. I will be grateful if you call send me your price list. Itu adalah contohnya dan rumusnya. We can and mount to be even more polite. I will be most grateful if you call send me the report. Itu adalah rumus dan contohnya. Di situ menggunakan most. Notice that these are not question, therefore do not read a question mark.